Hey guys, James from Fairclough Studios here. Now today is kind of the big one. I can't count how many times I've googled A7S3 specs, rumours and everything else and reviews for the past god knows however long, 3 years maybe, and the day has come, it's arrived. So here we go. Been waiting for this for an awful long time. As you know, I normally shoot on the A7iii, which is what I'm filming on right now, but yeah, this is going to be a big step up hopefully and let us get into some super fancy features. Now, I've never owned an A7S body before, so I don't know what to expect except from what I've seen on reviews, so I thought we'd kind of go through what's in the box together. Yeah, Mr. UPS has just dropped it off, so yeah, let's get into it. So I'll do it up here so we can both see. So the box is a slightly different shape to normal. Don't know if that makes a difference. Okay, so we have battery. I did buy an extra battery at the same time, so I don't know if that's it or yeah, we'll see. There is some kind of guide to what memory cards you can use with it to get the maximum speeds. I'll do another video on that. Seems quite complicated. I don't understand it yet. And usual bump adverts, more Sony stuff you can buy. Oh, there is a USB-C cable. That's a really nice addition. Don't usually get cables like that with the Sony cameras. I got a USB micro with the A7iii, so yep, that'll do. Inside the main compartment of the box we have, first thing I can see is this A7S3 strap. I don't usually use the factory straps. I like to use the Peak Design strap or the Spider holster or a holdfast, but yeah, always nice to have a backup, and A7S3 branded. It's not going to pick that up, is it? Yeah, there we go. So, side flap. Oh, no way! I don't know if this comes with them all, so don't get your hopes up, but this is an actual charger, like an actual mains charger that you plug in, rather than just one of those little AC adapter blocks that you got with the 6500s and the A7s. Yeah, wow, that is excellent, because they're usually about 70 quid or so, so yeah, I'm dead happy about that. It's the first time I've had a proper Sony charger, because they've been too expensive. I've always used the fake ones, but yeah, that's awesome. I'm going to use that for these brand new batteries and not ruin them. So there's another flap underneath that. Power cable for the charger. I guess that's why the box is a little bit bigger, because you get a proper charger and a plug with it. And something weird, don't know what this is. Don't know. Answers on a postcard, please. I think it might be some kind of cable guide or cable clamp. Yeah, it's labelled multi, USB and HDMI, and this might be a clamp for the cables. It's got some kind of locating spring-loaded thing on it there. Don't know, that's weird. I think that's a cable clamp. Yeah, I think it's a HDMI cable clamp. We'll have to figure out how to work that. I've never had one of those before, so yeah. Hope that's going to be good. So that leaves, I assume, oh no, little compartment down here, and this is the battery. Right, so yeah, we did get an actual battery with it as well. So main compartment leaves, yep, this feels like a camera body, so I am super excited about this. It feels fairly hefty, I have to say, after being used to the A7iii weight. Yeah, and wow, here it is. So this is the new Sony A7S3 body, all shiny and new, straight out of the packaging. It does seem chunkier, like significantly so. Like the hand grip, that feels a hell of a lot bigger than an A7iii. The body itself seems quite a bit thicker than an A7iii. The buttons are bigger. I know these are like the body improvements from the A7R4, but having it in your hand yeah, that seems quite chunky. Hang on, I'm just going to get an A7 III. It's got a spare one there. So, in terms of the body thickness, yeah, it's not actually that much different, but the actual grip is like way thicker. Yeah, the grip's a lot more substantial, which is why I think it feels a little heftier. Yeah, it is a little thicker. So, yeah, I don't know, I've got a 50 on that, so I can't really tell the weight. But yeah, it feels really substantial, it feels really solid, it feels very familiar, like an A7 body. The viewfinder seems a lot bigger to me. I mean, look at the size of that thing. That looks huge. And of course we've got the new, does it just flip out? Oh yeah, the new articulating flip screen. So there we go, that's going to be a big advantage. Plus you can kind of store it with the flat side back. In terms of the body upgrades over the A7 III that I'm really looking forward to, these dials on the top, they now lock. I don't know if you can see that, but we've got a locking button here, we've got a locking button here, because I am forever knocking this, especially when I put it on one of my straps and it's down by my side. I always knock it to like -3, it's always there. So yeah, having that locking, fantastic. Record button is right under your finger there. They've taken one of the C buttons away and replaced it with that. Absolutely fantastic. Shutter button is bigger. Yeah, nothing else on that side. On this side, it's all change. All the port doors are kind of more robust. They're actually designed to be opened and closed regularly, it looks like. Let's open a few of these. Can't get them open. Ah, yeah. So we've got USB-C, we've got the multi, we've got all the standard ports, except the exciting new addition is there's a full-size HDMI port. So yeah, look at that. They're actually designed to have these port doors open and use it in this configuration, which if you have an Atmos recorder or you do live streaming or anything like that, you'll know what a pain the A7 III doors are, flapping around all over the place, getting in your way. So yeah, you've got everything you need right there on the side. Massive improvement there. So it uses the same battery, the MPF-Z100. It uses different cards, and the card door is an improved design, it looks like. So you kind of slide and then open. It's a little bit sticky. Oh no, it's stuck on the strap lug. The strap lug's a little bit sticky. Door's fine. They're combined CF Express Type A and SD card slots, so you can pick your cards according to what kind of frame rates and everything, and if you tend to fill up the buffer really quickly, then that's going to be a massive advantage. On the back, chunkier buttons, yeah, quite significantly so. They've all got a really nice feel, and there's a new kind of joystick design as well going on, so I'll give you a close-up of that. Yeah, new joystick, bigger buttons. The AF on is a super chunky button because I used that for back button focus in photography quite a lot. Menu button C3 in the same place, C4 in the same place, click wheels exactly the same. So yeah, that is it. Battery compartment remains in the same place obviously, and yeah, takes the same battery, nothing new there. So yeah, that is the out of box experience for the A7S III. Now I'm super excited to go out and shoot this, but I think I've just heard the postman at the door, and I think my wife's just taken delivery of another item which I need to unbox for you guys. So yeah, we'll make this quick, but yeah, hope you like this unboxing. If you're in the UK, this is what to expect with your A7S III. We've got the great charger, we've got the strap, we've got power cable for the charger, we've got battery, we've got this super weird cable clamp which I need to figure out, and we've got the micro USB cable. So really good package from Sony. This is a very expensive camera. It is the most expensive camera I've ever bought. Yeah, I know compared to the cinema cameras that are like £16,000 or whatever, this is a relative bargain, but yeah, I love it. I can't wait to get shooting on it. Right, I will leave you to it, but thank you so much for watching. If you consider subscribing to the channel, I've got plenty more videos coming up. I will be testing the heck out of this thing over winter, especially for low light. Now we've got the perfect conditions to be able to shoot in it, for video, for 4K, for everything, and for photography as well, because I feel it's a very underrepresented camera for photography. And I've got a wedding coming up on Tuesday, which is very, very low light, which I'm going to be testing this out and let you know how it performs in low light in a real life situation. So that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you guys.